Hello and welcome to the lecture series on Indian economy for civil services. In the previous class, we have seen the idea of income. In today's class, I'll be talking about two important concepts. One is known as the national income and the other is called as national product. So let us look at what national income particularly boils down to. So national income is defined as the sum of all income of the people of a country. Now meaning thereby this sum of income is obtained with the help of A, wages, B, rents, C, interest and D, profits. So whenever we are looking at national income, we are just aggregating. Sum means aggregation of all the incomes of the people of the country, and the people of the country are getting their incomes from different sources, meaning thereby in different ways. The ways, underlying ways, are either wages or rents or interest or profits. Yeah, so these and or combination, it can be wages and rents or wages and interest and wages and profits and all of that. So let us look at how these things arise. That means wages, rents, interest and profits. So there's something called as in economics factors of production, and there's something called as factor payments or remunerations. Now there are four factors of production. First is called as land, the other is called as labor, the third is called as capital, and the last is called as entrepreneur. So now these are the factors of production, and obviously these factors of production have certain remunerations attached to it, which are also called as factor payments. And the factor payments associated with land is rent, with labor it is wages, with capital it is interest, and with entrepreneur it is profit. And whenever I look at national income, what I am doing is I am aggregating all of these. That means rent, wages, interest and profits. This is what I taught you when I talked about national income, or I in a sense defined it. So it is just the sum of all income of the people of a country. These incomes can be in these different forms. So I hope the idea of national income is pretty much clear from this example or from this approach, that is the factors of production as well as the factor payments and the aggregation of the same. Let us now move towards something called as national product. Now national product is different from national income. So how it is different from the national income? It is given by the total value. Now national product is given by the total value of final goods. Here I am looking at something called as final goods and services produced by various productive firms in a year, and that quotient is called as national product. Now here there are few important things which you have to note. First, I am looking at final goods and services, not intermediate goods and services. Final goods and services produced by whom? By productive firms. In what time frame? It is in a given year or 1 year, and such a thing is known as national products. To simplify it further, national product is the total output of final goods multiplied by the market prices. So this is how you look at national product and national income. So I hope the idea of both these important terms which are used in economics, they are more or less synonymous to each other in a sense, but when you look at it from a different perspective, they are rather showing some points of difference. Here I am looking at the sum of the incomes, and here I am looking at the total value of final goods and services produced by productive firms in a given period of time, that is 1 year. And this is how you distinguish between one which is the national income and the other which is national product. So I hope the idea is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.